Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Catchers channel. Today I'm going to be doing something fun and exciting with my hair. I'm greasing my scalp. I try to grease my scalp at least every other day. My scalp dries out very quickly. So that's what I do. And I'm going to be using my hot curler, and that is a Helen of Troy hot curler. I'll try to find a link for it if you're interested. I bought it a very long time ago. And I'm just going to apply a few curls and a few rollers so that I can have a pretty bouncy hairstyle for you guys today. And my hair is only going to remain in these rollers for the length of time it takes me to do my makeup. So it'll show you just what kind of curl you can get in about an hour's time. I'm starting off this eyeshadow look with my brows actually first. I'm using the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. This one is in dark. I think it's dark brown. It's a little deep. I try to use that as an outline, and then I go inside the brow with the CoverGirl brow pencil. Now I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer. I believe that's the shade Chestnut, just to neaten up the brows. e.l.f. has these strips that help you keep your outside lines neat. So that's what I'm using it for. They aren't as sticky as tape though, Scotch tape. I think I might like the Scotch tape a little bit better. I'm using the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer and also the NYX base in the shade Tan. This was the Pure Cosmetics BoxyCharm collaboration palette. And I'm using this palette today. I don't think I go outside of this palette at all. It was a very nicely pigmented palette that came in the, don't make me lie, I think this came in the March or April box. Very vibrant shadows. And if you have not joined BoxyCharm, I will leave my affiliate link down below. So you guys click that. It's a $21 a month service for 4 to 5 full-size products every month delivered to your door. And in this particular makeup tutorial, guys, I did not start off thinking I would be doing a bright and bold look. I was going to go more neutral, but sometimes you just have to go with the flow. I'm applying some Too Faced glitter glue insurance. And this is a shadow pot or a loose shadow from, don't make me lie, Shani Cosmetics. Yes. They have some beautiful shadow pots that come in a collection. I'll leave a link for that down below. I really like those, and I think I'm going to be exploring them more often. You see me go back into the pink of the palette and just blending right around that pot that I just used. In person, it's such a glittery, pretty look. Right there, I'm using one of the Urban Decay glitters. I believe that is in the shade Midnight Cowboy. It is so beautiful. You can see it from so far away when it catches the light. I created a pretty little cut crease with that. This also came in a BoxyCharm. This is from Vulgar Cosmetics, and it is a nice Inkwell black gel liner. It's super black. I really, really like this. And it's very creamy, and it stayed put. Right here, I'm applying a little bit of mascara primer. That's from Blink Cosmetics. That came in a BoxyCharm as well. I found some great nuggets in the BoxyCharms this year. This is the Tartiest mascara from Tarte. That also came in a BoxyCharm, I believe. And it's one of my favorite mascaras at the moment. It really defines my bottom lash line. These lashes, I actually forget what's the name of them, but they also came, oh, they're Baddington lashes, and they came in June's BoxyCharm. That's Cover FX smoothing primer. That also came in a BoxyCharm. And this is Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation. I did a Foundation Friday review on this foundation. One of the better matches for my skin tone. I really, really like it. It does last a long time. I've used it over several different primers, and it has always performed very nicely. All right, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Concealer, and that is in Dark Warm. Been loving the Dermablend powder lately under the eyes. It's a little bit deeper than the Sacha Buttercup powder, so I'm really liking it. That's in shade Warm Saffron. This is the Pure Cosmetics Contour Palette. And yes, the shades were deep enough for my skin tone to contour with. So I was really liking that, and that came in a BoxyCharm as well. Right here, I'm reaching back into the BoxyCharm palette, and I am using the highlight in that palette. It is gorgeous on darker skin tones. I really like this palette, so I'm going to keep it out so I can use it a little more often. Cover FX Illuminating Spray. When you apply this to your face, it gives you that glittery look without the commitment. I'm using one of the Sacha blushes. That's in Perfect Windy, I think. Yes. Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Bold Lip Liner in Dark Brown from Nika K. And I'm trying out the Givenchy matte lipstick, and it is in the color Brun Baroque 111. And this actually turned out to be a perfect nude shade for me. I did, however, decide to put a gloss over top of it, but it is a perfect brown neutral shade for my skin tone. So ladies, if you're about my skin tone and you're looking for a nice brown, it's beautiful. And I chose to put the Becca Cosmetics Glow Gloss over it. It's in the shade Foxglove. And together, those were beautiful. It's a very nice combo. I would wear that again and again, especially when neutralized. So let's take this hair down and see how these curlers work down. And I was actually very surprised that I only kept it in about an hour and I had such nice bouncy curls. They were very pretty. So I'm going to be rocking my natural hair maybe a few more weeks during the summer. And then I'm going to go ahead back to my units. But I'm going to try my best to do lots more with my natural hair. I think the next thing I'm going to do is a roller set. So you guys stay tuned for that. And also make sure to follow the Little Mind Catchers channel. I'll leave a link for theirs down below. If you love natural hair, that's where I do the majority of the natural hair videos. But aren't those curls delicious, guys? Beautiful curls. Love it. I should have curled the top right there. I should have curled it backwards. So I'm trying to use the comb to manipulate it to go backwards. And guys, that is it. Cyber kisses. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.